At first I didn't even know how love can save my little soul. I was afraid I wouldn't find something was missing in my mind. But when you're knocking at my heart, just seeing those moments when it's dark, I love you more and more and more, like how the sea draws to the shore. Feels like we are strangers in our home. Surrender to the blue that leads us from. Didn't realize it lasts for much too long. On and on. I was dreaming of a safer home, a space that we can drown into our own. Memories are twisted and we're torn. Moving on. So now we're moving on. I really want you to care. I was alone and I was scared. Just for a minute or some time, I lost myself there, I was blind. But when you're knocking at my door, your eyes are what I'm waiting for. I let you in, you let me out. It's all I ever cared about. Feels like we are strangers in our home. Surrender to the blue that leads us from. Didn't realize it lasts for much too long. On and on. I was dreaming of a safer home, a space that we can draw into our own. Memories are twisted and we're torn. Moving on. So now we're moving on. I was dreaming of a safer home, a space that we can draw into our own. Memories are twisted and we're torn. Moving on. So now we're moving on.
Thought I was paralyzed, it's just as I realized a continuous fall. I jumped on a fast train to jump off a fast train to land on my glass face. It all breaks the same. I'm up in the airplanes, looking for airplanes, destined to make a change. So I jump towards the sea. Yachts in the ocean, like God is the potion. It's all just emotion. Do you see what I see? I'm seeing stars. Seeing stars. I'm seeing stars. I'm seeing stars. Look at the fast cars passing with light bars. We call them track stars, but the bridge stays the same. Bikes in the nighttime, it's never a bad time. Splash of emotions, it feels just like rain.
There's so much that I can see, memories we can't deny, a picture in a gallery, hold images of both our lives. And I'm hoping that someone like you will come around and hold me like you do. And I'm hoping that someone like you will come around and hold me like you do. Maybe I can call you up, we'll talk until a better day. I can tell you've had enough, so we can go our separate ways.